Hello everyone, these are the luminous light up charge sync data USB cables for Apple iPhone 5 or 5C and 5S. This charging and sync cable will actually light up as it charges or syncs. And it can provide a stylish way to charge and sync with your device. So let's see. See, it's very beautiful. So you don't need to wind up or hide your charging cable anymore. This is the one cable you will want to leave out for everyone to see. And it can also be used with a wall charger with an USB port. Okay, so that's all. Thanks for watching.